Ready to transform your Kvcore website from cookie cutter to captivating? Let's dive straight into editing pages on Kvcore to create a website that truly reflects your brand. Start by logging into your Kvcore account and navigating to the website manager, typically found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Once in the website manager, you'll see a list of your existing website pages. Identify the page you wish to customize. For this example, let's choose the About Us page. Click the three dots next to your chosen page. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options. Select Edit. This will open the page editor. You're now in the page editor. Here, you'll see the existing content of your page organized in blocks. These blocks can contain text, images, forms, and other elements. Click on any block to edit its content. To modify text, simply click within the text block and start typing. You can change fonts, sizes, colors, and add formatting like bolding or italics using the toolbar at the top. To replace an image, click on the image block. You'll usually see an option to upload a new image from your computer or select one from your Kvcore media library. You can easily rearrange the layout of your page by dragging and dropping the content blocks. Just click and hold on a block, then drag it to its desired location and release. Once you're happy with your changes, click the Save button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will publish your updated page to your live website. Congratulations! You've successfully edited a page on Kvcore. Now go and make your website unforgettable.